Welcome to our magazine Up to Date in Science. Today we're going to talk about evolution and adaptations. Do they go hand in hand? This is presented by Carlo Montaño, Livier Palafo, and Sofia Ruiz. Evolution is the biological process by which all of the characters change the phenotypic and genetic characteristics of biological populations and are transferred by generations.
Some physiologists use the term adaptation to describe compensatory changes that occur in the short term in response to environmental disturbances. A biological adaptation is a physiological process, morphological trait, or mode of behavior of an organism that has evolved over time through natural selection. As types of adaptation, we have morphological adaptation that are changes in the external anatomy of the organism, and physiological adaptation that are changes in the internal anatomy or biological processes. Adaptation behavior are changes in the behavior of the egg. The polar bear is the largest land animal. It measures up to 3 meters from the snout to the end of the tail and weighs up to 800 kilograms. The polar bear can travel up to 1,000 kilometers at seasonal changes when the ice melts or freezes, either by walking on the ice or swimming.
The polar bear evolved from a population of brown bears during the Pleistocene. Some research suggests that this portion begins about 38 million years ago, when a large group of bears separated and adapted to new living conditions. The first ancestors of birds, generally related to modern species, are said to have inhabited the Earth around 30 million years ago and to have been as small as a raccoon. As adaptations to the polar environment to avoid heat loss, the ears and tail are very small, have a thick layer of subcutaneous fat, and a dense translucent coat made up of yellow hairs that trap air and acts as an insulator. The skin is black to better capture solar radiation.